Asus has been in the headlines a lot lately with their new line of laptops, the A15. This laptop is equipped with some of the latest and greatest hardware, including the new AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, and up to 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. With this kind of power, the A15 is capable of running the latest games and software with ease. The laptop also features a large 512GB SSD, allowing users to store plenty of files and games. One of the most impressive aspects of the A15 is its design. The laptop is just shy of an inch thick and weighs only 4.85 pounds. It's also one of the first laptops to feature the new HDMI 2.1 standard, which allows for resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz. The laptop's 15.6-inch FHD display is also Pantone validated for 100% sRGB coverage. In other words, the A15 is a great laptop for content creators and gamers alike. When it comes to performance, the A15 is a powerhouse. The AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor is a 8-core/16-thread monster that can boost up to 4.2 GHz. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 is also no slouch, offering 4 GB of GDDR6 VRAM. With this kind of power, the A15 is more than capable of running the latest games and software with ease. In terms of battery life, the A15 is quoted to offer up to 8 hours of battery life on a full charge. This is thanks to the new 90Wh battery that is included with the laptop. Featuring a cutting-edge design and construction, the TUF Gaming A15 is perfect for gamers who demand the very best. The A15 features a powerful CPU and GPU for gaming action that is fast, fluid, and fully saturates a speedy IPS-level display. Powered by an advanced CPU and GPU, action-packed gameplay is fast, fluid, and fully saturates a speedy IPS-level display. Even while boasting a smaller and packed with all the essentials for serious gaming, the Asus TUF Gaming A15 is designed to provide durability and stability. Armed with an advanced CPU and GPU, this powerful gaming laptop can handle the most action-packed gameplay, while still boasting a small and portable chassis. Additionally, it features a large battery for superior battery life. Laptop that prioritizes performance and durability, look no further than the TUF Gaming A15. This machine is equipped with some of the most advanced hardware available, letting you enjoy blistering fast gameplay and beautifully rendered visuals on a speedy IPS display. Plus, its large battery provides plenty of juice to keep you gaming all day long.